I'm Russ Etheridge, and today we're going to make some simple pops and bursts in After Effects. I'm a freelance animator and director based in Brighton in the UK. I've worked in the animation industry for about 10 years, working on things like visual effects, motion design, and 2D and 3D character animation. This class is intended to be a first toe dip into After Effects animation, so I'll be taking you through everything you need to know to make a simple graphic style pop, kind of like an After Effects motion graphics Kickstarter. I'll be covering just the essential parts of After Effects to get you going, and we'll be specifically looking at making a simple animation using shape layers. Shape layers are basically After Effects' vector drawing tools, kind of like what you'd find in something like Adobe Illustrator. I'll be putting a bit of extra emphasis on the animation side so that the motion looks and feels really nice, and you'll be following me through step by step, so this class is suitable for people who are completely new to After Effects. And then at the end I'll be setting a hands-on class project so that you can try out your new knowledge to make something unique. We'll be covering a quick intro to the After Effects interface, just the main parts for your popping purposes, and then an intro to shape layers, the ins and outs of what they do and how they work. We'll be making one main pop animation that looks like this. And then once the pop animation is ready, we'll be adding that to a pre-made balloon template animation that I've made and is available in the class materials. And finally, I'll take you through some variations on the pop animation that I've made, just to give you some ideas for when it comes for you to make an original pop of your own. I hope that once you've completed this class, you'll have got to grips with the basics of After Effects, as well as a good knowledge of shape layers and the timeline so that you can make some satisfying animations with them. Let's pop.